Hello children, a warm good morning to you. أيها طلابي كيف الحال؟
الحمد لله بخير.
Had your breakfast children? Say yes or no kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did you enjoy the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Its name is Ma'as-salamat and its meaning is goodbye. Dear kids, where did our friends Namla and Farasha reach? Do you know? Yes, after the long trip, they reached their home in the village. From where did they come? Yes, from forest. How did they come? By whose cart? Got it? Namla's brother and sister were standing outside the home. They saw Namla and Farasha. Namla has a gift in her hand. Namla's brother said, Ummi, Abi, Namlatu Kadimatun. Oh, my mother, father, Namla is coming. Soon, father and mother came. Mother said, Akhilam wa sagalam ya Namla. Warm welcome ya Namla. Sister said, Hayyakillah. May God bless you. Abu meaning father. Umma meaning mother. Got it, children? Then Namla said, showing the gift box, my friends in the forest gifted me this. Hadi hadiyatuli. This gift is for me. Hiya min astikai. It is my friend. Ohibbu astikai. I love my friend very much. Hal ta'rifuna? Do you know, children? Man astikai? Who were Namla's friends?
Dubbe, Sarlab, Sorban, Farasha, Lebi, Arnab.
Very good. Dear children, Wama Hadi Hadiya? What is the gift? What is the inside the gift box? Let's wait, children. Before that, let's hear a song. Are you ready? Okay, listen. All of us have mother. She takes care of all our things. She teaches us. She cooks for us. She is an important person in our life. So, we should respect our mother. That is why the poet has compared mother to our heart. Got it, children? Okay, listen. Let's hear an important song. Okay, listen.
Ummi ya ummi, ummini ummi, ummi ya ummi, qalbi ya ummi, ummi ya ummi, ummini ummi, ummi ya ummi, qalbi ya ummi. ربي يا ربي حبي لأمي ربي يا ربي حببني أمي ربي يا ربي حبي لأمي ربي يا ربي حببني أمي أمي يا أمي ضمني أمي أمي يا أمي قلبي يا أمي أمي يا أمي ضمني أمي أمي يا أمي قلبي يا أمي أمي يا أمي ربتني أمي ربي يا ربي فاغفر لي أمي أمي يا أمي ربتني أمي ربي يا ربي فاغفر لي أمي أمي يا أمي ضمني أمي أمي يا أمي قلبي يا أمي أمي يا أمي ضمني أمي أمي يا أمي قلبي يا أمي أمي يا أمي ضمني أمي أمي يا أمي قلبي يا أمي.
Did you enjoy the song? Dear kids, now coming to the gift. Are you ready? Can you guess what is inside the gift box? Namla open the box and takes rumman, tufaha, bittih. Bittih meaning watermelon. Rumman, pomegranate. Tufahat, apple. They were very happy. They sat around the table. Mother put the fruits in a plate and all of them started eating. Father said, Abditihu Kibir. Watermelon is very big. Sister said, a rumman hulb. Pomegranate is very sweet. Namla's brother said, At-tufahatu ladidatu. Apple is very tasty. After eating, it was time for Farasha to go back to her home. Dear children, do you remember Namla and Farasha become friends? In the first part of our story, do you remember? Then Farasha said, Ma'as salamat ya Namla. Goodbye Namla. Namla replied, Fi amanillah ya Farasha. May God be with you. Then Tatirul Farashat ila ba'id. The Farasha flew far away. Tarji'u Namlatu ila al-bayti. Namla went inside the home. And our story ends here with Ma'as-salama. Our story ends here with goodbye. Did you enjoy from this story? Okay, I am also saying with Ma'as-salama. I am also saying with goodbye.